got a hair tie stuck in my hair. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to get them out without ruining your hair. It's pretty common, especially when you have fine hair, to get a hair tie stuck in your hair because basically the hair and the hair tie together and get knotted. It can be overwhelming and feel like the only thing you can do is to rip it out, but that's gonna break your hair. And if you don't have a lot of hair, every hair strand is precious. The first thing you wanna make sure you don't do when you find that you have knotted a hair tie into your hair is pull. It's gonna make whatever knots are attaching the two tighter. So we don't pull. We refrain from yanking because that's either just gonna break it off or it's gonna make it harder to get out. Then we're gonna see kind of what we're dealing with. You're probably, if your hair's longer, you can pull it in front and look, I can't see that. That's way too, I'm gonna go cross-eyed. So I'm gonna look in a mirror or in my camera and see what is going on. And then what you wanna do is you want to start pulling in different directions until you start to feel it loosening. But what we're not gonna do is pull the hair and the hair tie separately. We're either gonna grab the bits of hair if we can and kind of gently maneuver those around, or we're gonna grab bits of the hair tie and gently maneuver that around. But we're not gonna pull the hair tie and the hair tie, but we're not gonna pull the hair and the hair tie together because that's gonna make them knot tighter. So here I am sort of alternating between playing around with the hair, just gently, and then gently maneuvering the hair tie, and we can see it popped open, and now the hair isn't tangled with the hair tie anymore. Now it's just wrapped around the hair tie. At that point, I'm gonna go towards just maneuvering the hair, gently seeing what comes loose. The key when you've knotted anything, a hairbrush, a hair tie, anything into your hair, is to be patient and gentle, not pull hard, because that's when you're gonna get breakage and you're gonna make things much harder to get out. I mean, if you don't care about your hair and you just wanna rip it out, be my guest. But if you do that on a regular basis, you're gonna ruin your hair and you're gonna be missing chunks of hair. And really, in real time, that took less than 3 minutes to get that out. And if I wasn't talking to you guys, it would have been faster. So if you do get a hair tie stuck in your hair, remember, don't panic, don't pull hard, be gentle, work with the hair tie or the hair separately, and it will come out without any damage to your hair. The easiest thing to do is to avoid this happening. How you avoid it happening is to be careful to make sure that you are carefully wrapping the hair tie around your hair without wrapping hair in with the hair tie. And then when you take them out, you should unravel the hair tie as opposed to pulling it out. That's exactly how I got it stuck today. I just started to pull my hair tie out. And when you do that, sometimes it will catch hairs and then they'll get twisted and tangled. And that's exactly how it happens. I hope that helps. I hope if you ever struggle with hair ties getting stuck in your hair, because I know that can be a problem for thin, fine-haired people. Everyone can get a hair tie stuck in their hair, but it just hurts so much more if you rip out a chunk of your hair when you don't have a lot of hair to start with. So I hope if you struggle from this, that you are able to get these hair ties out of your hair without damage again in the future. Let me know in the comments if this works for you. I would love to hear feedback from you guys. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Like and subscribe because it really helps me grow my channel here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.